Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hey. Hi everybody out there. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome back guys. Welcome to our day 17 of our life transformation. Hello Megul. Nice to see you. First up. Very good. Very good. Nice to see you. Okay, guys, start getting inside. Yes, Megul, a very good evening, a very grand evening, everybody. Nice, Akshay. So, first two people to see the notifications. Both of them were not available yesterday, but now today you guys are starting with a bang, right on time. Very good. Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you guys. A very good evening, Akshay. Hey, Rajak. Hi. Razak. Hi. Supriya. Yes, it's your day 16. Arohi, day 17. Yes, mine as well, Arohi. Mine as well, day 17. Very good stuff. Hey, Shank. Hi. Hello. 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 Okay, so Pooja has logged in from her father's device again. Okay, hi Pooja, nice to see you. Yes, it's your day 17 as well. A very warm welcome, everybody. Yes, the time right now is 10:02 p.m. and we will be getting started, guys. This is our third week of life transformation, and what we are doing as part of this week is truly goal achievement. Yes, this is what we are doing. Hello, everybody. Hey, Kanish. Hey Prince, Ranjali, hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you guys all warmed up, all geared up for the day, guys. And what we are doing as part of the third week, it's all about goals, becoming what you want to become in your life. And that's what we have been defining, a step by step action plan to go and get it. As part of the day one, we specified why it is required to have goals in life, because you should be in control of your life. So we understood the value of it. Step number two, we understood what are the core pillars. 9 plus 4, what does that mean? Oh, I think you have. Okay, what does that mean? Did you complete the 4 recorded forms? Does it mean that? I guess so. I guess so. Yeah. So, Oshi, that's really good. You need to be up to the pace so that you can share the same mindset with on which point we are. So, very good, very good. Now you're showing great consistency out there. So, guys, what we were doing as part of this goal achievement or goal achieving, becoming whatever you want to do in life, it's a step by step process. So, first we understood like it is very important to set goals in life. If you don't have goals, it's a problem. Okay, that's the first thing which we did. Okay, now the second. Hey, hi Mahesh, nice to see you. This guy is also like, we people are getting really consistent, guys. You should give a a pat on your back. Basically, it's our day 17. Many people into the day 17, into the day 16, into the top section. That shows something about yourself. Good stuff, guys. Very great stuff. This is going to make you different. This is going to make you better than 80% people of the world. Know it. You are in your journey of life transformation. Now, what are we doing? It's a step by step plan, guys. Okay, goal achievement. It's like once you know the strategy, you just need to follow it. First, we understood why it is important to have goals, and then we all agreed like it is mandatory because you need to be in your control in life, and then you will be able to live your life to the fullest. That was the step number one. Then we identified like there are 4 core foundation pillars of life in which you need to define goals, and what these pillars are: your personal goals, next the financial, career, business goals, next the adventure goals, fun goals, luxury goals, and the fourth is the contribution, giving back goals. We identified that okay, you, for living a successful life, it is required you need to have a balance in all of these. Why am I repeating every day? Because I'm not talking to your conscious brain, guys. You might be saying that I already know, but every day when I come, I want to talk to your subconscious. I want to take these concepts and dump it inside your subconscious mind, because that becomes your way of working. That's where I keep re-summarizing. So the more repetition, the more it understands, and this is what is the core foundation of whatever we are doing. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So these were the 4 foundation, the pillars of life, guys, which would lay down a very strong foundation in your life, and that would help you to live your life to the fullest. We defined that. Okay, well, now once we defined, then yesterday what we spoke about, we defined a step by step action plan of what you people need to follow in terms of the first stage of goal setting. And I am hoping that you guys would have written down your goals. I'm a bit scared to ask, but let me ask it. How many of you have written down your goals and performed the brainstorming of what we spoke yesterday? Can you please type something in comments? I'm scared to ask that because I know that not all people might have done it. I feel that can happen, but I want to see. I want to see how many of you guys have actually done it, because these would be the people who are taking big time ownership of their lives. So can you please write how many of you have done it? Okay, now this is great. Okay, back to back. Sumant has done it. Good. Mahesh did it as well. Mehul did it. Okay, so three people. Fine. Now this is bringing life to my breath. Okay, I'm feeling good. That okay, at least three people started. Pooja also did it. Good stuff. Good stuff. Four people. Anybody else in the house? Anybody else in the house? Yes, Sumant, very good. Yes, we noted your thing. Osi, Osi, yes, Osi, fine. You have also done it, Sham. Man, this group is really genius. Supriya did it, Karish did it. Now, guys, this is amazing stuff. Amit, yes, you did it. Prince did it. Whew. Now, guys, I feel really proud to be in your company. Because let me tell you guys, doing it right in the first day, I was not really expecting that people are that serious. But I feel whoever are the consistent people in the group, almost everybody, I'm saying almost everybody has done it. Now let me appreciate that, guys. Let me appreciate that each and every one of you who have done it, that's the first step towards your success. The first step, like okay, maybe you might not wanted to do, or maybe like yesterday was a late night. Shanky saying he completed it yesterday itself. Now that is massive. Yesterday we might have ended up like 10:45, and that's like very late night, and then still you did it. That's awesome stuff, guys. That's brilliant. Some of you might have done it today, but now many people have completed. I'm so happy to be in your company, guys. You people are really making proud. Okay, you are really doing awesome job, guys. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Now that gives me more energy. That gives me more energy to talk about the today's topic, guys. Okay, and that is really amazing, guys. I really love you guys because you are serious about your life, and I know that when there are such serious people in this group, you guys will become whatever you want to become in your life, guys. Let me tell you. And in my first season, the season 1, which is in the final ending, so today, guys, evening time life transformation, what we are doing is the 17th day. And you know what, as part of morning we are running a magical mornings of a 21 days, and today is the 17th day of that as well. And you know what, guys, season 1 magical morning, guys, have actually gotten great bit of transformation. Okay, we are seeing results there, and I see like you people are also going to do very great stuff in life, and I'm already feeling that vibe. This is brilliance. Love you people. Awesome stuff. Now let me tell you, I have also done it, guys. As part of season 1, I completed, and I also did it as part of my season 2. Okay, so now what was the strategy which said? Let me quickly rework. And for all those people who have not done it, I think there might be just a few handful of people of that sort. But guys, you need to understand, just listening is not going to change, just coming and going is not going to change. You need to take actions, then only your life changes. Otherwise you would be at the same point in your life. Okay, you need to understand. Akshay has also done it, Arohi has done it. Now this is brilliance, guys. I'm truly having deep respect for you people. All the people who have done it, I have true deep respect, because I know that you are going to become way too successful in your life, because now you are taking life seriously. Now you are understanding what is actually required, and guys, you can achieve everything. And what it was there, basically it was a step by step approach, right? So when we spoke about yesterday, let me figure it out. When we spoke about yesterday, now let's quickly rework on our plans, guys. Step by step action plan. Step number 1, we said that having goals in your mind over a period of time, like your life situations will get so crunched that you might forget those goals, and that's where many people don't achieve it. Why new year resolutions fail? Because many people have the goal in their mind, but they don't have the right strategy to actually make those goals or the resolutions come true. That's where 85 to 90% people don't really make it happen. There are very less percentage who make the strong decision and achieve. So now we are defining that strategy. So step number 1, don't have your goals in your brain, have it, think it, and write it down on a piece of paper. Write it in front of you guys so that it's available as a hard copy. No matter what life challenges you're going to, you need to have that. That was the stage number one which we did. And now what was the rest of the plan? Now each of the pillars you need to perform some set of actions. What was the first thing? The first thing was, take a particular goal, for example personal goals, and I know you people have already done it. Write, brainstorm, think about whatever you want to do, all of the thoughts, writing it down. So this was my exercise which I did it. Step number one completed. Now what was the step number two? Now each of the goals, it is a one liner thing which is available there. You need to assign targets. Let me tell you guys, very successful people of the world say that goals without targets will be really tough to achieve. So when you define a goal, it is mandatory to comply it with a target, guys. Without target, you will not achieve it. Your brain needs to know a clear cut end destination, because then your actions would be applied accordingly. Okay, guys, of the people in this group are like even students of Natras sir, right? And I was also a student of Natras sir. And while we were speaking once, he mentioned this thing. Okay, we wanted to conduct a kind of a session or something. Then he said, I was like, sir, I'm not prepared for the session. I need more time. Then he said, okay, blindly, let's fix up a date first. This is what his strategy as well, guys. He said, let's fix up a date, and then your brain is actually going to prepare, force will you to prepare for that, and then you will achieve it as well. Now this is where, guys, the very successful, the big people of the world already knows the strategy, and we need to now follow the same routine. So that was the step two. Whatever your goals you would have defined, brainstorm, written everything, you need to assign some targets. For example, you might be seeing here in the bracket, there is this into bracket 1 year, there is 1 month, there is 1 year, 1 month. So I have something like 2 to 3 years as well. 1 to 2 years. I even have something like 5 to 10 years. That's the step two, and I am feeling all of you. Why reiterating again? Because if somebody has missed out some process, so just writing goals, no, you have to accomplish it with even targets by when you want to achieve it. Stage two done. Now stage three. Okay. Now what's the stage three? You need to pick up all those goals which would trigger you, which would kick you for basically you want to achieve in the next coming 1 year. Okay, it should give you the spark, give you the energy, take laziness away from you. Define all those goals from this and write it down separately, and go, as detailed of a paragraph as possible. And guys, this is what I did. As part of this goals, I took down a separate paragraph where I started writing down like what exactly I want to achieve in next coming 1 year, and then what it is followed with as detailed as possible. But two very core things, the step 4 and the 5, all the reasons what will happen if you don't really achieve your goals, the pain of that. So I've written, just having here pain in not having it. So I wrote down the reasons why what kind of a suffering I will go through, because human beings learns by pain. If you attach pain to not achieving your goals, then your brain is going to be like, no, 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 don't take pain, don't take pain, go it, do it, because the other side is horrible. That kind of trigger will come to the mind. That's where very important, your pain point should be so strong that reading it should make you feel bad about yourself. Okay, that's how, write dirty about your pain point, like if you don't achieve, how bad things can go in your life. So that reading should be like, it should be awakening every day when you read it, kind of. And then the other reason, the beauty part of it, what happens if you just achieve it. So I've completed that as well. Okay, I've completed that section as well. What are the things which you need to do? And the same exercise, then I continued for all the other goals, my financial goals, my business goals, my career goals. Then again the same thing, guys, wrote everything, wrote some years and months against that, and then all the reasons what I want to do it in like 1 year of time. Then all the reasons why it is a must, what will happen if I don't achieve it. Similarly, going ahead with the adventure goals, with the contribution goals, and I know that you people have already done it, and this is where is brilliance lying. Okay, very superb stuff. Now, guys, I want to give you guys some opportunity. Okay, all the people who have completed it and who has written it on the piece of paper. Okay, tomorrow I am thinking to do live session with you guys. Okay, right now, as part of this life transformation itself. Okay, there is this feature, Facebook has launched it, like But I don't see this video option for everybody, guys. I don't know for whom it is visible, okay, but at least I see it, and right now I'm just able to see that for three people. Rajesh is having it, Mehgul is having it, and Sai Kumar is having it. It's not available for everybody. I don't know what that reason is. Is the app version, or like, I don't know basically. But if you guys can come online, I want to give you a possibility. Like tomorrow, you just turn up. We'll have a live talk in front of everybody in the group where you just walk through your goals and inspire the people, lead them by example. Okay. So, guys, if anybody who wants to speak, reach to me out in my person. We need to validate whether your phone is having that feature right now. If you're having it, then tomorrow we can have a talk in front of everybody, and that will give you one like leading by example kind of attitude, and which is really good. So let's see how all those things happen. But now, yes, that opportunity is done. Now everybody who wants to have it, it's a first come first serve basis, guys. I cannot give opportunity to everybody, but your phone should first have that feature, and second, you should have written the goals. These two are the mandatory aspects of that, and then third, you should be willing to come up. Okay, so you need to understand those pieces. Fine, good, great. Now today's session, guys, the time already is 10:17 p.m, and I want to like maybe take next 10-15 minutes to talk about the goal achievement area. Okay, the goal setting is done, guys. We have done the goal setting, we identified, we have written it down, but now I want to give you some exercise which you people need to follow on regular basis, by which you will be achieving whatever you have set right now. Okay, and now the first thing you need to understand, like, you will be so lost in the situations of life, like corona coming up, or maybe right now somebody ill in your family, or you're not getting a job of your want, or some kind of internal issues running in your family, or with your friends some clashes happening, or you're not healthy right now. Okay, Shank, basically, I see a video option for some of the people, okay, but it's not available for everybody. For example, against your user, I cannot see that video option, so we cannot come live with that option. So in your phone, for your Facebook, there should be some feature coming up like, okay, live call, and if that comes, then only we can have a call, otherwise it's not possible. So that's the feature I'm talking about. Okay, there is a video option right now. I see that for some people it's available, not for everybody. Only 4 people in this group has it right now. Fine, let's see. We'll talk about that later. Let's get back to the work. Okay, now first thing, having it on the paper is the step number one. Done. Now second thing, guys, very important, you know that you will be overridden by the life circumstances, and that's where it is important that you remind your goals to yourself on a daily basis. Every single day you have to walk through all these goals, guys. Otherwise, let me tell you, many people have even set goals, but not many people have achieved it. Why? They are not following the right process. So what's the right process? As part of the process, it is mandatory for you people to every day go through these goals. Very important. Okay, otherwise it would just be in books, it would just be like, okay, day one done, but it's not about one, it is about doing it till the time you achieve it. So that's where now I'm defining the strategy, what you're supposed to do, guys. First, reserve some time during the day, some fixed time, the way we have done the 10 p.m. thing in the night, guys, right? Life transformation, every night we are coming 10 p.m, and there we have like, okay, training our brain and body to adapt and change. Like that, you need to reserve some 15 minutes, 20 minutes every day in your life to now walk through these goals. Okay, and I'll tell what that strategy is. Mostly, I think a way good point would be, before you get started with the day activity, at that time set your goals early in the morning. No matter at what time you're waking up, before you get started with busy of your day-to-day activities, be it you're working or studying or whatever, before you get started with the day activities, reserve some 15 to 20 minutes for your goal achievement session. Fix one time, regularly follow it. That's the strategy number one. You need to define, reserve one slot. Now what you need to do in that slot, guys, as part of success affirmation, we have already spoken about it, guys. That's where I've already given you a context of what we are doing. Basically, these goals which you have taken or which you have written right now, honest opinion, honest fact, these goals are in our conscious brain, and you need to know, things in the conscious brain will be overridden by the dominating subconscious personality. So you need to remember that even though we have written down your goals, it is just in the conscious brain, it has a